Palatine Locksmith is a qualified and guaranteed locksmith business in Palatine. We have state-of-the-art gear and 24-hour service to meet every different need of our clients at Palatine Locksmith. We have highly advanced equipment and know-how. In addition to this, having professional licensed staff with an average experience of 10 years enables us to offer you the finest assistance possible. We take on any type of locksmith solution, such as commercial, motor vehicle, or household, anytime, all through the year. So call us at Palatine Locksmith, 773-257-7594.